Scimarc tutorial. Today we are going to learn on how to install YouTube on Tecno BB2 but some types of phones they don't have YouTube, they are only having YouTube Go, but YouTube Go can't be uninstalled, but there is a system you can do to remove YouTube Go. You can search here YouTube. Oops. Yes, I know that you haven't installed YouTube, but it will be seen here when you search in settings, you search YouTube, you will see there. The first one is YouTube and the second is YouTube Go. You have to go to YouTube Go, then you can disable. But here I have disabled. Now I have disabled this app. Disable and returning back to YouTube. You get clear display of other apps. Then when you, in your phone you see it was not displayed but enabled. After that, picture in picture, allow it, open by default, open in supported links, open this app, supported links, youtube.com. Yes, then go to storage. You can clear data and clear cache, permission, all of them you have to allow. Camera, allow permission, contacts, location, microphone, phone, SMS and storage. Apps notification, allow. Make sound. Yes. Vibrate. Additional settings in this app. As you can see here, that you see now YouTube Go is not available. You can only see YouTube because YouTube was not seen in the settings. We have quickly display all over the apps. Now YouTube is seen. This is Scimarc tutorial. Thank you for watching. I think you should subscribe to get more information when we upload our new videos from Scimarc tutorial. There are many problems that you have, but in this tutorial you will not get any problem. You can ask me to make you a tutorial by comment, like and subscribe. Thank you.